So this video is tutorial how to record the video in Enscape. Like we'll start. First of all, you can start with the Enscape and click the little talkie like the film, or press V, and then we'll give you that. And you can click the plus button and add a camera over there. You can see, and you can control your camera. Go over there, like click the little plus again. I'll give you another camera, and you can also set up your tourist line, and give the in Rhino, and the camera will show up over there. The camera over there. I also can find the tourist the camera tourist line is very weird. If you be a human to like sorry like walk over there to cross the road, and you should be on the Womba crossing with design, and you can find the camera over there. You can click this, find this camera, and you can click the uh, another camera between the start point and the second one over there, and the tourist lines looks more normal. You also can add over there. Yep, it goes normal. And also this is tell you the totally video time. You can reduce the time or make it longer. And we'll finish that. You can click that, export. As it will gives you some options. You can choose like extra HD, HD or full HD, and click export, and it gives you and save. That's starting to saving the creating a video. Yep, I think that's a tutorial how to using the Inkscape to create the video.